5 साल तक ये सरकार ना सिर्फ मजबूती से चलेगी बल्कि देश को वो मजबूती देगी जिसका जिक्र मेरे प्रधानमंत्री ने किया था कि अभी ये ट्रेलर है, अभी विकास की कई गाथाएं लिखनी बाकी हैं, तो इन 5 सालों में उसको धरातल पर
नीतीश कुमार से क्या बातचीत हुई?
एनडीए के साथ है,
मेरे मुख्यमंत्री पहले मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी का जवाब दे देता हूँ। मेरे मुख्यमंत्री चट्टानी एकता की तरह एनडीए गठबंधन के साथ है। मेरा ये विश्वास ना सिर्फ चुनाव दौरान जिस तरीके से जनता दल यूनाइटेड तमाम नेताओं का एनडीए के प्रति, गठबंधन के प्रति जिस ईमानदारी के साथ सबने कैंपेन किया, आज सुबह मैं मेरे मुख्यमंत्री जी से मैं मुलाकात करके भी आया हूं और ये मेरे विश्वास को बढ़ाता है कि एनडीए गठबंधन पूरी तरीके से एकजुट है। मुख्यमंत्री जी की एक अहम भूमिका रही है हम लोग के प्रदर्शन में। इससे पहले कि आप लोग ये सवाल पूछें, हाँ कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग चूके हैं अपने लक्ष्य से, पर अगर आप बिहार को देखेंगे तो बिहार को हम लोगों ने बहुत संभाला है और बिहार के संभलने में एक बड़ा योगदान मेरे मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी का भी रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री जी का नेतृत्व एक बहुत बड़ा कारण रहा है। ऐसे में एनडीए गठबंधन पूरा एकजुट है और ये एकजुटता
And as we cut across to live reactions one after the other, these are the latest pictures. Chandrababu Naidu has arrived in the national capital after that big win. Shravan, as you're with us, TDP having pledged its support with the BJP. We'll try and listen into that live reaction if he speaks, Shravan, but TDP certainly with the BJP.
Well, in fact, TDP is firmly with the Bharatiya Janata Party, part of the NDA government. Not one, multiple statements have already been made by Chandrababu Naidu and several other leaders. Now, as Chandrababu Naidu lands in the national capital, all focus would be on what would be the next step in terms of how they are part of the NDA in terms of representation, because that's going to be a key focus right now in the crucial meeting that's expected to take place at the very place where I am broadcasting from. In a short while from now, you would expect the other parliamentarians to also come in to meet Chandrababu Naidu. There is already a lot of murmur within the TDP camp right now. The fact that they have been firmly with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Secondly, if you see the kind of statements that have been made by Chandrababu Naidu in the run-up to the elections also, he has basically endorsed Prime Minister Modi's policies, simply saying that these are policies which puts the nation first. Now, that's exactly the statement that was first made almost 2 years ago by Chandrababu Naidu in a summit here in the national capital. And in fact, he had then said that as far as Prime Minister Modi's vision is concerned, that has only put India in a much better position. And that endorsement came in when there was no official alliance between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the TDP. So Chandrababu Naidu making it abundantly clear that this alliance is going to remain. And there is also another big compulsion that basically, comes up is the role of the Janasena. Pawan Kalyan also plays a very important role in stitching this entire alliance, because remember, when Chandrababu Naidu was arrested by the YSRCP government, at that point in time it was Pawan Kalyan who had taken on the YSRCP, and at that point in time he had made it very clear that the decision will be taken by Chandrababu Naidu in which way he goes, and whichever way he goes, the Janasena is going to be with them. And that is the reason why any changes right now seems to be extremely unlikely.